In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find AOL account recovery options. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL into the search bar, then wait for the results page to load. On most screens, you will see several results, with the official AOL site right near the top. The official link usually shows the familiar AOL logo and a short description mentioning email and news, so check for that so you know you are heading to the real site. Once you see the search results, click the correct AOL link and then click Sign In. This link usually takes you to a page with the AOL logo at the top and a simple sign-in box. Look for the sign-in button near the middle of the screen or in the upper right area. When you click it, the page will shift to the login screen where you can enter your username and password. You may already be logged in if you use AOL often in this browser. If you are already inside your inbox, click your profile name or image in the top right corner and select Account Info. The inbox view usually shows your list of emails in the center and folders on the left. In the very top right corner, you will see either your name, your email address, or a small profile picture. Click that and a small menu will slide down. From that menu, choose Account Info. After you click it, AOL opens a new page or tab with your account details and several navigation options on the left side. From there, click the Account Security tab on the left-hand menu column. On the Account Info page, look to the left for the menu list. You should see options like Personal Info and then Account Security. Click Account Security once. The right side of the screen now changes to show security-related settings. You will usually see items about passwords, sign-in verification, and other protection tools. Changes you make here update your account protection immediately once you confirm them. Next up, scroll down to the section titled How We Verify It Is Really You or Recovery Methods. Use your mouse or trackpad to move down the page until you see one of those headings. This section is where AOL lists the ways they can reach you if you ever get locked out, such as backup email addresses and phone numbers. If you do not scroll quite far enough, you might miss it, so keep going until that specific wording appears. Under the heading, you should see any recovery contacts you already added, or it may be empty if you have never set them up. At this point, here you can click Add Email or Add Phone Number to link new backup recovery methods. Choose Add Email if you want AOL to send recovery codes to another email account you control. Choose Add Phone Number if you prefer recovery codes by text message or call. When you click either option, AOL will ask you to type the new address or number and then send a code to confirm it belongs to you. And once that code is entered correctly, the new method appears in the list. You have now found your AOL account recovery options and learned how to add new backup methods. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear AOL tutorials.